Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 2, The Appearance of the Buddha. Among that Buddha's vast congregation was a great enlightening being named Top-Knot of Flames of Radiant Flower Lights, who came to the Buddha with a group of enlightening beings, as many as there are atoms in an ocean of worlds, each manifesting 10 kinds of clouds of parasols of beautiful ornamental jewels, filling space without dispersing. They also produced 10 kinds of clouds of parasols of flowers of arrays of light beams, 10 kinds of clouds of parasols of treasures of pearls of boundless colors, 10 kinds of clouds of parasols of diamonds emanating the sounds of compassion of all enlightening beings, 10 kinds of clouds of parasols draped with nets of chimes, embellished with precious stones, 10 kinds of clouds of parasols decorated with branches of jewel trees, 10 kinds of clouds of parasols of diamonds like the sun shining everywhere, 10 kinds of clouds of parasols of all kinds of perfume and incense, 10 kinds of clouds of parasols of stores of sandalwood, and 10 kinds of clouds of parasols of arrays of universal lights of the vast sphere of Buddhahood. Such clouds of parasols of precious substances, numerous as atoms in an ocean of worlds, all filled space without dispersing. Having caused these clouds to appear, the enlightening beings bowed to the Buddha and presented them as offerings. Then, to the southwest, they each magically produced a lion seat of banks of adornments of flames of sapphire light, and sat cross-legged thereon. Northwest of this flower bank ocean of worlds is an ocean of worlds called Precious Light Radiance. Among its world systems is a land called Array of Myriad Fragrances. The Buddha there was called Light of the Ocean of Infinite Virtues. Among that Buddha's congregation was a great enlightening being called Jewel King of Inexhaustible Light, who together with as many enlightening beings as there are atoms in an ocean of worlds, came to the Buddha, each producing 10 kinds of clouds of light spheres of radiance of all jewels, filling space without dispersing.